Hi, I'm Heather with Mirkovich Associates. Today we're going to talk all things cast iron. Want to create a really cool rustic vibe in your environment? Well, TableCraft has a ton of different sizes, styles, and shapes of cast iron elements to utilize in your space. Cast iron is great for going from oven to table. These individual portions make for a lovely presentation. And all of our cast iron is packaged for easy cash and carry. And cast iron pairs very well with our enamelware collection as well. Without protective seasoning, iron can rust. It's really easy to fix. Scour the rust, rinse, dry, and rub with a little vegetable oil. If problems persist, you will need to thoroughly remove all rust and follow the re-seasoning instructions in the TableCraft catalog or contact customer service for more direction.